All right, so the handle itself swings out there. It starts off in this configuration, and it has a latch right here. Well, that's simple to put together. And this looks like the dust bag. And it comes with, it's an assortment pack. So 2 packs of the sanding pads. You can see the handle, the head swivels nicely. All right, so you can see fully assembled. This handle is good for just kind of steadying it because it's head heavy. And so this helps to lift it up. These ceilings are close to 10 feet tall. Definitely has a lot of reach to it. So I'm lining up that hole and this hole, and then when you lay it down, they're all good. The trigger has a lock on it so that you can basically turn it on and let it run, and without having to hold the trigger the whole time. It has 7 different speed levels to it, so that variable speed will make it nice. That worked out really well. And that was super easy. Took that ridge right off. Yeah, that light is cool. You can see your work so much better with it on. I would probably always use it on. You'll be able to, there'll be no guessing about how smooth you got it. When you have the light on, the light lets you see if you've left any sanding marks on in the drywall. And so that's really good to be able to see fine detail as you're trying to get a finished sand on that mud. It does keep the dust down to a minimum. Now I wore dark on purpose just as an example, so they would show up if I'm covered in drywall dust, and I'm really not. There's some on the floor, and that's par for the course, but overall this gets most of the dust. Does a good job on the sanding, and when you're all done, your arms will be stronger. It does give you a good arm workout. Hope this video helps. If you got anything out of it, give us a thumbs up. It means a lot to us. It does help our channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We've got lots more videos coming. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.